We're looking at the effects we may see here in northeast Wisconsin as a result of those tensions with Iran.
NBC 26's Juliana Falk is live now with what the recent news could mean for us. Juliana?
John and Nina, international issues in our economy often go hand in hand. Experts say they're keeping a close eye on what's happening in Iran and here at home. Managing partner and wealth advisor Doug Jurdy with Heritage Financial says after last night's dip in the stock market after news of the missile attack, it's back up at all-time highs. He says thinking about the long run, he doesn't believe people need to be too concerned at the moment.
If you look at past conflicts and wars, the market's likely to get volatile for a short while, but then it will recover over time.
Jurdy says it can be nerve-wracking, but his advice is to stay the course.
It's probably going to get bumpy in the short term, but in the long run, the best thing to do is probably nothing, even though it doesn't feel good at the time.
As for what you might be paying at the pump, Patrick DeHaan, the head of petroleum analysis with Gas Buddy, says there hasn't been much of an impact on oil so far.
Of course, we continue to watch oil prices on par with what they were about a week ago. But that doesn't mean that things can't change.
DeHaan says the biggest factor in oil prices going up would be if an oil infrastructure was targeted and attacked.
That's really where the potential problems would come from.
Jurdy also says if things were to escalate, we could see a change in the market too. He says people get nervous and react.
Probably the biggest impact if this drags out is going to be oil prices and the effects of that going up for local companies and investments in general.
President Trump did announce new economic sanctions on Iran today. Jurdy says the U.S. doesn't do a lot of business in Iran, so the new sanctions should not impact our bottom line. Juliana Falk, NBC 26.